think we should clarify what constitutes close. Guys, what are we gonna do now?
I might have an idea.
Okay, that's reason to panic.
I think there's an old military base around here somewhere. Don't know what's down there, but I'm grabbing something just in case.
Then let's do it. Everybody grab a weapon and let's go.
Let's roll.
Reloading.
We can jump down onto this truck.
Reloading. I'm a reload.
This right here messed some shit up.
I hear a witch.
Reload. Hey, I'm reloading.
Lights are on. Where's your people?
That's what I keep saying. Weapons over here!
Man, sometime he's gonna have a headache after this.
Witch. Quick, cycling with that bitch. She gonna explode.
Jockey, jockey,
Jockey!
jockey. Reloading.
Reloading! Big gun!
Spinner. Spinner. Look out.
Gun! This right here messed some shit up. Up
Reloading.
that ladder.
Reloading. Heads up.
Reloading!
Hey, you see those lights?
You're almost home free, people. Defib unit here. This place is underwater.
Time to get wet.
What are those guys doing in those suits?
Look out now! Jockey!
Goo incoming!
Anyone here?
Weapons
Jesus,
here!
I knew it. There's nothing here.
But if we stay together and keep our heads, we can get out of this.
Tell me about it.
Check reloading!
So much for the rescue. Any ideas?
We're headed the right way. Get ready and let's open the door.
This is gonna be one hell of a night.
Oh shit! This ain't gonna be good! Incoming!
Reloading!
Big gun.
Reloading!
Reloading! Let's go, people!
Down here.
Spitter!
Got a spitter!
Reloading!
Safe house! Close the door!
Baby, that is how that's done!
You guys ever seen something like this?
No.
What the hell is going on here?
Hell, sometimes it's best not to find out what you don't know.
Push the button.
Hey, look out!
Look out!
Nice.
I would like the sound of that gun.
Oh shit! What the hell is going on?
Stay close!
Smoker!
Whoa, that was cool and all, but shit. Jockey!
You have got to be kidding me.
Where in the hell are
Shoot
we?
the mudman! Good thing I'm wearing boots.
Hello! Anyone there?
All south of the border.
Watch out!
Sounds like a smoker. Grabbing a Molotov. Smoker! Machete here. Split coming! Oh, you want Ellis?
Jockey! Can't you suck it up?
Oh, I'm fine.
Oh, I knew you'd be okay.
Thanks.
Coming!
Girl, you should have
Crazy
stayed
sons
at
of
home.
bitches mess me up.
Hooray!
Hunter!
Reloading.
Got a hunter! You have got to be kidding me.
Reloading!
Weapons over here! Reloading! I ain't ready to lay down yet.
We gotta go!
What are those guys doing in those suits? Anyone know how to fly this thing?
Hazmat, guys.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Listen up, bitch.
Nick, you were
I ain't dead yet.
Nothing to see. No health kit here.
Jockey!
Jockey!
This is some crazy ass
There we
world
go.
we live in now.
I think these guys are fireproof.
Man, this shit hurts.
Hey, I'm reloading. This ain't right.
You got pills?
We're gonna need
Murder of a wife and her 2 children by their husband and father. The father purchased
Oh, hell.
All right, who's
I'm back
available?
here.
Get me out of here.
Oh man, I hope we don't see any ghosts.
Come on, guys, get me out of here.
his car.
Man, I'm here.
Oh man. Oh man, oh man.
How I thought it would go. What the?
Great! Like zombies on back. Watch out! I'm down!
Oh, we gotta pull our shit together. Shoot that big mother! Got it.
These here zombies are trying to kill me.
Oh, baby girl.
You be good, Rochelle.
Boomerbow here. That's it. Ain't ready to lay down
You
yet.
got fired, so you drowned your sorrows in booze. She had to get a part-time job working a grocery store cash register.
Don't leave me behind!
Reloading!
Damn.
Grabbing some frag rounds.
Good.
Grabbing. I ain't never been so happy to see a gun.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Here they come.
Reload. Hey, look out! Charger!
Weapons here.
Reloading.
You good? You good?
Bitch!
Almost there.
Look out now! Reloading!
Shit. Get ready.
Come on, let's go!
That's how I used to clear a path when I played college
Hell
ball.
no.
Man,
Hell no.
those zombies beat my ass.
Well, that was unpleasant.
Yeah, that shit was creeping me out.
Grabbing a shot.
Ammo here. This right here messed some shit up.
Reloading.
Safe house.
Heads up!
Damn it now. Woo! We cool. Got a charger around.
Anyone know where we are?
Guess this shit's old, huh? I don't know, but...
Good, glad that's cleared up. What now?
Listen, y'all. We need to pull together as a team. Let's keep moving.
Hell yeah, where are we going?
I don't know shit. We're gonna keep moving.
Great, thanks, Coach.
What are we waiting for? Let's go.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Reloading.
Keep going down the street.
Watch it.
Grabbing puke.
These zombies are trying
Reloading.
to kill me. Hey, Nick, you and me, we ought to get tattoos that say bros.
I'm gonna get a tat.
Reloading.
You got it, man. Reloading. Hey, look what we got right here.
Reloading!
I'ma reload. Reloading.
Okay, I ain't going on. I'm really hurt.
Come on, youngin'.
Reload.
Molotov out!
Kill it, man. Kill it.
Got it.
Reloading.
Weapons here. Down here.
Reloading. I'ma reload.
I'm hurting real bad.
What the? Oh.
This is just like
God, get this thing off me! Reloading!
Y'all, I'm hurt.
Oh.
We need to get up there.
Let's search these rooms.
Hey, I'm reloading.
That worked.
Hey, we can get across now.
Let's get to the stairs.
Yeah, I best be finding me a health kit.
That sounds like a spitter. Let's go through here.
Man, I'm hurting. Hey, I'm reloading.
Another elevator.
Weapons over. Shit, we gotta hit that button.
Man, I ain't doing too good.
Game on, baby! Throwing the Molotov!
Reloading!
Grabbing the bows, y'all! Elevator's here! Reloading!
Jockey!
Hey, we ready to get it on?
I'm down! I owe you one.
Ellis, does your tattoo mean anything?
Oh, this here? That says I'm a bad. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one time, my buddy Keith on a dare got a tattoo. I'm a moron.
Ellis,
Right across his forehead, man. Of course, he made $200 off that, so
Ellis.
you ask yourself,
Ellis.
who's the real moron?
Jesus Christ, Ellis. Like the goddamn zombies aren't bad enough.
ready?
Well, I still like you.
Yeah.
Nick.
Whatever.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even for us, that was just too weird.
What the hell is this place?
This is all going to hell.
I'm gonna reload.
Reloading!
Look out!
That there's some screwed up shit!
We gotta smoke it.
Jockey!
Jackie! Let's back up.
Hey, let's jump down.
Who wants to jump first?
Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil.
Thanks, Coach. That was uplifting.
Man, these give me the creeps more than them zombies.
Chest paddles here. Oh, damn, another one of these things.
I don't like this. Get ready.
Barriers down. Let's move, baby.
Back into the water. I'm not lying, this hurts. Much better now.
Thank you, Jesus. A ladder.
Reloading.
Safe house. Let's go. All right.
Hey, Nick. You okay?
Nope. We're pretty screwed.
Okay. Anybody got any ideas?
So if you're looking for ideas, look no further, because I have a good one.
What's on your mind, Ellis?
I'll be a sniper like in the movies. I'll help you if you need me to.
What, you? Really?
Ooh, you could try covering yourself in mud.
We ain't got time for this, Ellis. Move careful, watch your fire, and we'll be just fine. All right, let's roll.
Watch out, mudmen! Watch out!
Hey, I'm reloading.
We need to find a ladder.
Gotta agree with that. I hear a charger.
Reloading.
Smoker!
Up there! Everybody up the ladder.
Get this thing off me!
Holy shit! That thing's riding him!
Almost there.
Through this window. Let's try upstairs. Reloading!
Anyone home? Hey, Hey, we could jump down here. Somebody hit that button.
What?
I'm just asking, but are we sure this is the best route?
This looks like the only way. We're all in this together, man. Let's get it going.
So let's get ready. Let's...
Hit the button before this turns into a bad idea.
Step back, everybody.
I'm not dying in the middle of nowhere.
Come on now, put it behind you. You good? You good?
Here they come! Reloading here!
Reloading! Hunter! Heads up!
Hunter!
Reloading!
Gotta reload!
Reloading here.
Big gun!
Charger! Look out!
Reloading!
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 Look out now.
Reloading! Pull yourself together, man. You're falling apart.
Oh, hell, this about to get bad.
Charger!
Hunter!
Hunter!
Try to Hunter!
Watch out!
Look out now.
Reloading!
Gotta reload.
Gotta reload! Gun! They putting the word on you, but ain't no thing.
Heads up!
It's a spitter dude.
Hunter! Hunter!
Shit, get ready!
Reloading here. Reloading.
Charger! Open up the lock. Jackie! Weapons over here! Don't stand around, let's go!